Anyone that knows me knows that I'm absolutely obsessed with coffee and tea. Every single morning, I wake up, I bust out my little Hario carafe, I grind up some beans in my Encore grinder, I heat up some water in this gooseneck kettle, and I do a little single cup pour over with locally roasted beans. It's a routine that I very much adore and live by. But sometimes I really want cold brew too. And it's really nice to know that these Evervessel water bottles will support that habit as well. If you've never had cold brew before, it's absolutely delicious. Instead of heating coffee up and then cooling it down and making an iced coffee, which can lead to a little bit of extra bitterness, the entire thing is brewed cold. You put coffee grounds into some kind of mesh, sieve, or container, and you let it sit in cold water. You could even do it with a French press for 12 to 24 hours, and it makes one of the smoothest, most delicious cups of coffee you've ever had. You've got 3 Evervessel water bottles in front of you. You have the Evervessel Multi, the Evervessel Maxi, and the Evervessel Super Maxi. In the Multi, I have some cold brew tea. So this one also has an insert that supports tea. You can put either tea bags or loose tea inside, and it's a little mesh strainer that sits inside the water. In here, overnight, I've left 2 tea bags and some cold water. In the Maxi, I've left a 10-to-1 ratio. So I have the little mesh sieve holder for the cold brew coffee, and I have 60 grams of coffee in there, and that means 600 grams of water, because a 10-to-1 ratio means that it's instantly drinkable. You can make a more concentrated blend if you want to use less water and more coffee, and then mix it with water down the line, but I prefer for mine to be instantly drinkable, so I use the 10-to-1 ratio. And then in the Super Maxi, I have 2 of their little blender balls, which is another great attachment, and I'm going to use that to make some hot chocolate. So let's get into it. I can open the lid here. You can see it's this nice little screw top lid that's vacuum sealed and very waterproof. And then inside here, I just have their little tea strainer. So in there, I've got 2 tea bags. You could also use loose tea. And all you do is screw the top off, and you can get to whatever's inside. So I can go ahead and dump this in the trash now. And I let this sit overnight with 2 tea bags inside. It's a great little strainer, and it fits right inside the top of this water bottle. And it has a little grab handle, the screw top. It makes it really nice to make cold brew or hot tea. In this little water bottle, you could even put fruit in there and make fruit-infused water. And then as far as what I'm going to drink this out of, obviously, I'm going to use my Sophia Petrillo Golden Girls Tiki mug, because why the hell not? So I'll just dump that in there. As you can see, it's nicely cold brewed iced tea. And absolutely delicious. No extra tannin flavor, no bitterness, just really smooth, delicious iced tea. Great way to make iced tea. And it's really convenient and nice that you have this little tea infuser that fits right inside this water bottle so that you can take it with you anywhere you go. You can make hot tea or cold brew tea anywhere you go easily. Really great little water bottle, and this is the perfect size to fit in a personal item only size backpack. Not too big, not too small. Absolutely love these water bottles. Then in the Maxi, which is another of the Evervessel water bottles, I have this nice grab handle top on it. It unfolds, makes it really easy to attach and move it around, and it also has this little sipping lid on the top. So if I take that out, and I remove the coffee filter. So this is their cold brew coffee kit. And it's basically a little cylindrical mesh sieve that allows you to put any of your ground coffee in there. You want some coarsely ground coffee, and you want to do a 10-to-1 ratio if you want it immediately drinkable. So I had 60 grams of coffee in there, and then it just fits really well into this water bottle, sits in the top the same way the tea infuser does. Then you have the ability to make cold brew coffee. I just had this sit in the fridge overnight, and we're about to give it a try. And I love the way the cylinder looks. I love how deep it goes into the water, so you don't have to fill it up all the way if you want to make more of a concentrate with less water. Great little design for a cold brew coffee kit. This is my visionswell can-shaped glass. I really love this glass. It's available in my merch store. And I'm going to fill this with some ice, and then I'll also grab some cream so that I can make my cold brew coffee. So I've got my ice and I've got my cream, so let's try this out. Pour some of this cold brew in here. You can see that it's nice and light. Looks really tasty. Put a little bit of this cream in here. Give it a little shaky shake. Mix everything up. Look how beautiful that is. Nice little cold brew, all brewed in your own little water bottle. Leave it in the fridge overnight. It's good to go if you're taking it to work, taking it to the beach, taking it on a road trip. You have all those options in a great little water bottle. Really easy way to make cold brew coffee. Couldn't be any simpler. Let me take a sip. That's delicious. Super smooth, no bitterness. Tastes great with the cream. Normally I don't put cream in my coffee, but in a cold brew it just tastes amazing. Such a smooth, easy to drink way to get your caffeine fix. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely great setup for making cold brew coffee. Then if we take a look at the Super Maxi, this is their biggest, and I love even in their giant water bottles, they keep them slim, so they fit into absolutely any sized cup holder in any car, on a bike, things like that. Even though it's super tall, it fits effortlessly into my cup holder. So it's a great way to bring a lot of liquid and still have it fit in your cup holder. So if I unscrew the top here, you can see the inside, nice vacuum sealed, just like all the other water bottles. But they have these nice little blender balls. I know blender balls aren't like the newest thing on the block, but it's really nice that they have these tiny ones that fit easily into their water bottles. This is a great way to mix up protein powder or any kind of powdered solids that you need to mix up into your drink if you need a little bit of extra protein. Today, I'm going to use it for hot chocolate. So here I've got 2 cups of milk that I'm going to heat over the stove in a little saucepan so that I can pour it over the hot chocolate powder. And since I'm making 2 cups, I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of the Silly Cow, which is my favorite hot chocolate mix. Now that that's poured in the bottom, I can go ahead and heat the milk over the stove. And then I'll pour it back in this container for easy pouring into the water bottle. Now the milk is nice and hot, and I've transferred it out of the little saucepan back into the measuring cup so that I can pour it over top of the hot chocolate powder. This is 2 cups, 4 tablespoons of the hot cocoa mix. Pour it in there. Make a huge mess. Give me just a second to clean this up, or my wife is going to have my head on a steak. Now I can go ahead and screw this lid back on so that I can shake it up with the little blender balls inside. Hear them clanking around inside. Don't want to shake it too much and make it all foamy, but I think that should be nicely combined enough. Here's a little mug so that you can see what it looks like. Ooh, hear that hiss? Pour out the hot chocolate. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Nothing like hot chocolate on a rainy day in the middle of March. And you know you can't have hot chocolate without a couple mini marshmallows on top. So throw those guys on there, let them melt a little bit. I can take a sip of this guy now that it's cooled down a little bit. Nice sweet kick. Absolutely delicious. And there you have it. 2 cold brew drinks and 1 hot drink, all made in my Evervessel water bottles. What do you guys think of these setups? Do you think they're useful? I think they're absolutely excellent. In terms of my keep, give, donate, sell framework, they're definitely going into the keep pile. I love tea, I love coffee, and I love hot chocolate. And also once in a while, I might want to make a protein drink. So the tea infuser, the cold brew kit, as well as the little blender balls, and those really nice vacuum insulated water bottles are a great combination for any of my drink needs. I think they're absolutely beautiful water bottles and they're worth every penny. What are your thoughts on these setups? Is it something that you would use? If you have any other water bottles that you'd like to recommend, please leave a comment below. Please like, comment, and subscribe in general because it helps the channel out a lot. If you want to pick up any of the gear that I've decided not to keep, check out my eBay link. If you want to pick up any of my merch, like this cool little glass here or any of my other mugs or apparel, check out my merch link. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.